What really happened, Jamaica, and why is it happening now that it is almost closing time for summer, for school start back? So now we have to warn our children.
For the culture.
For the culture.
Exactly, for the culture. Out of many one people.
For the culture. For the culture. For the culture.
For the culture. Play the no, play the song.
Welcome back to another one, guys. You don't know Team Vulture from TikTok. You don't know today where I'm making know one. I always in a Jamaica, you know. Jamaicans have been urged to be careful as there is this new I'm not saying persuading tactic, but you know, some form of kidnapping style, I don't, you know. Yeah, and you have to be careful out here, you know. I'm gonna see what on.
What really are going to Jamaica? So I passed about 2 videos of persons speaking about something that is happening where persons are asking for help spraying substances on phones, and when you touch the phone, is either some form of chemical or whatever. When you touch the phone, like there's a tingling in your finger or something like that, and it causes you to feel some funny way in your body. What really happened, Jamaica, and why is it happening now that it is almost closing time for summer, for school start back? So now we have to warn our children, and this goes for both male and female, because I passed a video where it happened to a male, so nobody is excluded out of this. So we have to warn, we picnic them and make them understand, say yes, it is good to help, but there is something that is happening, that is going around, that I don't care if it is an old person, don't help them. Anybody ask you to put anything in a them phone, help them to put on a phone card, help them to put in a number, don't help them. Then say good have to suffer for the bad. And right now the good have to suffer for the bad, because what? Boy, I don't understand. And what good is this doing? Like some farmer ritual or some farmer something going on. I don't understand. No, sir. Why no when I soon back to school time? And then the gentleman was saying that after they asked him to put on the number, put the number in the phone, they spray something. We have to be vigilant, guys. Or if you teach you pitney them to be vigilant, whether primary school, pitney high school, pitney college, please look out the AI. Paranoid in these times, not too chussy, because what again? No, man.
Let's see what I'm going to do. Alright, so now we have this police civilian situation, you know, altercation. I heard that the lady baby got pepper sprayed. I'm not sure how it goes, but you know, of this content, I don't really like to show these contents sometime, you know, but it's already all over the media, so I just outsource it either way. But here, I'm not into these type of contents.
Come the baby now the house on the bed. Sir, my name is scissors for my kidney work. My need my scissors. My name is scissors, officer. Is the house the right? So my name is scissors. Officer, I need my scissors. unprofessional. You're very unprofessional. Come back. When you feel like you're above the law too much. When you feel like you're above the law too much. Feel like you're above the law. Impact are in our face and them stepping on the horse. I know them can't explain nothing. Them can't explain nothing. So officer, mama ask why am I going to the car? No, that part in my part. Let them tell a lie. Let them tell a lie. Impact are a part in my part. It's so wicked and lie. You're not supposed to come in the house. You're not supposed to come in the house. You have warrant. You have warrant. Come to the claim out. I want to you. Want to feel like you're not dealing with no done? Want to feel like you're not dealing with no done?
4 months.
The man not do nothing. When I feel like you can't touch people. The man not do nothing. I only come from fling box and then feel like you don't want come. The man not do that. Daddy just listen. They just listen. They're too corrupt. They say I will never stop. They're too corrupt. Corrupt. And who the fuck would the fear look for now? Look for the too corrupt. They say corruption will never done. Just stay him. I have everything video. I have everything video. When I'm out pepper spray and the baby them here, I have everything video. Have your little baby and you spray something on the baby eye. Me look on the baby, me look on the baby. And I swear something going on the pitney them here. Now wicked. When you look on the camera, look for. Murder! Now wicked. Your blood clot wicked. Everything on video. Wicked. And then me come ask me ID number. You don't want to come give a badge number. Me have everything. A party now, him well back shooting. Him well back long time. And pepper spray the pitney them in them eye.
No matter reason.
When all the man come in the house.
Why? Let me ask you why?
The man said can't do why not doing that stuff now. Why not doing that and you're pushing him out? I want to know. The man thinks that them can't do it. Why not doing that now? No, the man